Good day, sir. I am now going to perform my practical assessment number 2. So the challenge here is to draw the figure below using the commands found in draw panel only. And this is the figure. And here the unit of measurement in the figure is in inches. So let's go and check if it is in inches. As you can see, it's already in inches. And then here you have to apply 3 layers. First is the object layer with the line width of 0.35 and color white. So let's make the layers. Name it object. The color is white and the line width should be 0.35. The second layer is the dimension layer with the line width default color yellow, text height 1.85, R size 1.85, and precision is 2 decimal places. Make another layer, name it dimensions, dimension only. The color is yellow and the line width is default. And then set this as current layer and go to the animate tab. And here modify. So the precision is 2 decimal places. Text height is 1.25, 25, and then the R size is 1.25. Okay, and close. And then the last layer is the construction layer with the line weight default, line type center, line type scale 2, and color green. We are going to skip that part. Add another layer, construction. Where's the C? The color is green. Line type is center. Let's load a center line type. And line width is default. So let's now proceed to making the object and set the object layer as the current layer. So first, what I'm going to do is make these circles with a diameter of 5 and a distance for their centers of 22.5. So let's go center, diameter. Let's turn on the grid snap. And then the diameter is 5. Here it is. And then let's make use of the node to make a guide point. The distance was 22.5. So this is it. And let's make a circle again. Let's turn on the node in the object snap. And 5. And then next is we are going to make nodes for each of the intersections here of the horizontal line and the arcs. So here we are going to make use of their diameters and radiuses. So here first, the diameter is 10, so the radius is 5. So the distance from here to here is 5. And we are going to do the process again for all the arcs. So let's make the node. So the distance was 5, and again distance was 7.5 was the radius. And then next is the center line with a radius of 13, and next is the outermost arc with a radius of 18. And let's do that again. 18. So here. And then we are going to make use of the polyline to make the horizontal line and arcs. So first is here. And the distance, let's turn on ortho mode. Distance is 22.5. And click A for an arc. And the diameter was 10. And then distance again, let's make 9 and 22.5. And arc again, and the endpoint is here. Do the same process for the other 22.5, arc, and the diameter was 15, and the line was 22.5 again, and the arc again. The endpoint is here, and do the same process. Here the radius is 13, so the diameter is 26. 26. And line is 22.5, and arc is in here. Then the same process, 22.5. So the radius was 18, so the diameter would be 36. Line 22.5, arc, and endpoint is here. So yeah, and then we are going to transfer this line. We are going to make this as a center line. So by that, we are going to go to properties and transfer it to the construction layer. And the line type scale was 2, so we're going to input 2 here. Okay, we are still in the object layer. And then we are going to make these polygons and circles. First is the circles with a radius of 2. Radius. Here it is. 2. Same for here. 2. Same for here. 2. And here. And then here is the polygon with 6 sides and is circumscribed about a circle of a diameter of 7 or a radius of 3.5. So let's make the polygon. 6 sides. Center of the polygon is here. Circumscribed about a circle and radius 3.5. Same process. And then here we are going to make these circles. So the small circle has a diameter of 3.4 and the outer has a diameter of 7. Diameter 3.4. Here click D for diameter and 7. Same for here. And diameter 3.4. And again diameter is 7. And then next thing we're going to do is to dimension. So first we're going to dimension this distance from here to here. Let's go to the dimension layer. Then start dimensioning from here to here, 22.5. And then from here to here is 7. And then the radius of the outside as well as the center line and these arcs. It was radius 18. Radius again for the center line is 13, and the diameter here is 15, and another one is 10. And then here what we are going to do is we only need to dimension one of these circles because they are identical and this object is a symmetrical object. So it's only necessary to dimension one. So here I am going to pick this one. And same case for these circles. I'm going to pick this circle. And same case for this, I'm going to pick this side of set of circles. So it was diameter, and then we are pretty much done. So the last thing is to line we told on the status bar should be enabled at the end of the practical assessment. So let's enable it, and yeah, we are done. We just have to save this in the correct file name format. Uh, yeah, underscore A101 rack last 02. Mhm. And then this is it, and I am going to end the video, and thank you sir for watching.